How a regular photo shoot turned out to be a nightmare for this lady. Taiwanese model Heidi Ye had posed for a rather routine photo shoot. The job was for an advertisement for a plastic surgery clinic, and while the concept was unusual, hinging on a stunning couple with 3 children who looked strikingly different from one another, the shoot felt harmless. Heidi had no reason to suspect that this single image would turn her life upside down, nor that it would become one of the internet's most infamous memes. What began as an innocent photo soon became a symbol for online harassment, a viral misunderstanding, and a cautionary tale about the power of the digital age. The story was taken to greater heights of absurdity when Chinese media published a viral piece about a man allegedly suing his wife. The husband reportedly claimed to have been duped into believing she was naturally beautiful when, in fact, her attributes were the result of extensive plastic surgery. The article stated that reality set in once the couple had a daughter whose appearance allegedly showed up with the original features of his wife. International attention was rapidly drawn to an outrageous story at once scandalous and absurd. More than the story itself going viral, so did the attached photo. The image showed a strikingly attractive couple standing with 3 children whose altered features looked unflattering. Although it had no actual connection to the story, the photo became the visual centerpiece of the scandal. Many assumed that Heidi Ye was the woman in the article, accusing her of undergoing extensive plastic surgery and misleading her partner. The image spread like wildfire, shared with captions such as "plastic surgery, you can't hide it forever." What was meant to be a simple ad for a plastic surgery clinic had taken on a life of its own, with consequences that Heidi never anticipated. At first, Heidi didn't understand what was happening. As the photo spread, people began questioning if the story was true. Even longtime friends asked if she had surgery. Strangers attacked her online, and her modeling clients pulled away. She went from a confident model to the face of an unflattering meme, getting only small roles in ads. The ad agencies involved in the original shoot only made things worse. Heidi revealed that the photo had been intended for limited use in newspapers and magazines for a specific client. However, J. Walter Thompson, JWT, the advertising agency behind the shoot, licensed the photo to another clinic called Simple Beauty. It was this second clinic that modified the image, using Photoshop to exaggerate the children's features and adding a provocative caption. The only thing you'll ever have to worry about is how to explain it to the kids. This altered image became the foundation for its viral misuse, and Heidi was powerless to stop it. In 2015, after 3 years of nightmare, Heidi spoke out at a press conference, revealing how the viral photo had ruined her life. She accused JWT and Simple Beauty of misusing her image and failing to protect her. While the agencies eventually removed the altered photo, they claimed ownership and insisted they acted lawfully. JWT even threatened to sue Heidi, stating they couldn't control how the internet reacted or used the image. The controversy had far-reaching effects beyond Heidi herself. She worried about the 3 children whose faces were altered for the ad, fearing how they might feel when they grew older and saw the viral meme. "I can't bear to look at it," she said in an interview with the BBC. "The children may not use social media now, but it will hurt them when they grow up." Despite trying to clear her name, the damage was done. The photo still circulates online, even years later. Some accused Heidi of using the controversy to revive her modeling career, but she denied it, stating her career suffered due to the viral image, not because of her own shortcomings. Heidi Ye now lives a quieter life in her hometown of Nontao County, Taiwan, focusing on raising her son and spending time with friends. On social media, she shares glimpses of her new life, promoting cosmetics and other products. While she no longer works as a professional model, she jokingly mentioned she now models for her family's local store. The viral photo that derailed her career remains a painful memory. Heidi's story highlights how easily someone's image can be misused online, with devastating consequences. Despite moving on, she remains haunted by the photo, saying, "No one deserves this, not even the kids."